Um, Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. My name is Dave Justin Obeneta. This video, I will recite the 10 basic international uh, no, um, 10 basic international human rights standards for a law enforcement. The first one is equal protection. My explanation is police must enforce the law fairly and equally without discrimination discrimination based on race, gender, and religion or status. For example, during a rally, police protect both the demonstration and bystanders equally, regardless of political beliefs. Standard number two is respect respect treatment respectful treatment. um, Law enforcement must treat every individual with dignity and respect, even if they are suspected or of a crime. For example, an officer addresses a suspect pa positively during questioning, um, and avoiding insults or dis- degrading words. Um, mm, Standard number three, use of force. Police must be used only when strictly or necessary and in proportion to the threat faced. For example, police restrain a violent suspect using minimal minimal physical force instead of immediately using weapons. Standard number six, policing policing ay hindi standard number four, policing non-violent assemblies. Peacefully assemblies must be allowed to protect, not disperse unless they turn violent. Example, police police guide traffic around a peaceful protest instead of dispersing it with water cannons. Standard number five, lethal force. Lethal force is only last resort when life is under immediately threat or danger. For example, an officer an officer fires at the ahead hindi. Example, officer fires at armed individual who it about to shoot the civilian. They shoot the suspect or the suspect to prevent or to protect the lives of civilians. Um, Standard number six, on arresting people. Arresting persons on legal grounds. Arrest must only made with legal authority, valid reasons, and proper procedures. For example, police arrest a theft no a theft suspect based on court issued warrant, eh, not just suspicion. Standard number seven is uh, detainees right. Um, People in custody retain their rights such as to legal counsel, food, water, and medical care. Example, a detainee suspect is unformed or their right to lawyer and gives us access to one. Yes. Standard number 8. Standard number 8 is ano nga ulit yung 8? 8 person treatment ba yun? Person, then, na humans treatment. Okay. Human time. Ang ganda na. Wait. Ano ulit yun? 8. Tukti. First. Oh. Ano ulit yun? Oh, shit. Number 8 is yun. Human treatment of detainees. Example, detainees must not be ano yan? Humanized treatment of human treatment of detainees. For example, for this is sorry. Yung sample ko dito. Human treatment of detainees. Detainees must be subjected to torture. Not be subjected to torture, cruelty, or degrading treatment. Yun, tama. Example, a suspect in custody. Ano ba yun? Ang suspect in legal, hindi. At a suspect in custody, those safe, clean area, and physically fit, like what? Basta caring human detainee. Standard number 9, refusal to obey unjust refusal to obey unjust order. Tama. Oh, yan. Refusal to obey unjust order. Police must Standard number 9, refusal to obey unjust orders. Police must not follow orders that violate human rights or the law. For example, an officer refused superior order to beat protesters because it violates rights. The last one is standard number 10, reporting violations. Tama. Explain my explanation is reporting violations. Police have a duty to report human rights abuses or misconduct by colleagues. For example, an officer reports another officer who use excessive force during an arrest or during a rally. That's all, ma'am. Thank you po. Tapos na.